Good morning, guys. Today we are going to work with creating a business letterhead with a letterhead and a table. So this is the blank document. The first thing that we would like to do is to modify or check our margins. Let's go to page layout and margins. What you are seeing from my screen might be slightly different because I'm using Microsoft Word 2013 and you might still be using 2010. Okay, so we are going to make sure that we choose the moderate margin. And what I usually like to do is I would like to see the ruler. I'm saving the ruler. And also to make sure that the markings are being shown. Next, I would just insert a shape. Okay, this is called the crosshair mouse, and I will just make this shape somewhere this size. Okay, I would go to home, design, to change my theme. I would like to choose for an executive theme. Okay, not executive theme, but in the color gallery, I would just change my color. Alright, looks like I don't have the executive theme in my colors gallery, but what you could do is to select one that has perhaps the same orange background. I modified my theme to take in let's take in bibs. So just choose one, and I'll choose something with a bit of orangey, yellow orange maybe, and I'll just go to format and I'll choose this theme. Alright, so we are done for the first part. And the next one is I need to add in the text. Okay. Adding the text, what I do, I right click and I just do add text here, and it's Heartland Tractor Club. If you still remember how we can change everything to uppercase, we can just go to home and change everything to uppercase. I'm going to change my font style to Segowa script. Segowa. This is print script, and I'm going to make it to font size 22. Now when we click on this and we check out the wrap text, we would see that this is if we put it in line with text, meaning it's together with the text, but we want to make it flexible, therefore we put top and bottom. When we put top and bottom, you will see the paragraph mark moving down here, and the next thing that we want to look for is to insert a clip art. Pictures. No, not picture. In Office 2010, you will see the option clip art here, but in Office 2013, you need to go to online pictures and you search for tractor. Alright, let's just look for one of the tractor that we would be using. Just take this, insert. Alright, so here I'm having a tractor image. We would just do some editing with it. I'm going to resize it. I can say format picture, sorry, size and position. I can say let's make this to 35%. It looks smaller. And I can also say I want to recolor. I can recolor my picture, something like this along the line. And I can also set transparent color. I would just set transparent color, white color transparent. Okay, anyway, it should be transparent. Yes. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to just copy in this, paste it, and I'm going to flip the picture around. Just go to format again, and you see this, you are going to rotate the object, and you can just flip horizontally, so it's clear that it's facing each other. Basically, we have this. We can also make the contrast a bit bigger if you want to. Can go to corrections and just, let's say, okay, this looks nicer. I can go back here, or I can just do a Control Y, and it has exactly the same thing. And right now, what I would do with this is I would make it in front of text. Okay, so you would see this is coming in front of text. It's not really that good, so I'm just going to take this away, and I'm just going to do Control C and copy and paste and format and flip it again. So I just put one wrap text for this. I will also put it in front of text so that I have both in front of text. Okay, so one image here, one image here. Okay, click on both and make sure that I align both of them in the middle. Okay, so basically I'm done with my letterhead. What I did next was to include the address for this, and over here I would like to insert a symbol, and I'll look for more symbols. 2022. Okay, the character code is 2022, and I will just insert it here. And so you see I have this round thing here. Gonna just put it between my web address as well, and I want all this to be in one line, so I'm just going to go back to home, decrease the size, make it in the middle. Alright, so I have it here. Hang on, let me just move this back up here. So right now what I can have is I can have a bottom border, and you would see that I have this bottom border. And for normally for a company or a club, what you can do is you can save this as your I'm just gonna save this CSCI 1013, and I'm gonna save it as Heartland letterhead. So you have got your letterhead done.